Hello everybody. So the template series is going to be the interesting series, right? It's gonna take you the 4 or 5 minutes and it's gonna make your trading into the next level, right? So here's the trendline templates. We're gonna discuss about it. So trendline is I can make more template with it, but right now I just have few templates that I do use: the high and the low. Here's the low and the low and the mid. I use this when the market is live. Let me show you how. When the market is live over here, see, when the market is completely live, then I use trend lines. Like that's a high and that's a low, right? So let's suppose that's a low and that's a high. So I use it high and low, and that's make very easy to me to understand the market and just get into the entry and exit and all that. So, and see here, when I just turn it to mid, it's gonna be dash line, right? You see, it didn't took me to change the line, because every time, look, this is dash line, right? Every time you draw, now it's a dash line, right? And now you have to change and you just go to template. Now it's not dash line, it's just line. Now see, the trend line will change into this line, not into dash. See, that's the fucking problem, right? So you cannot solve it. You cannot tell trading view team to solve this, but you have to make few templates to save your time. So you can make many more with it, and I will make many more, and I will keep on sharing all the templates with you. All right, take care. Bye bye.